Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12th CBSE Marks Inverse Trigonometric Function Miscellaneous Exercise question number 10. Let's see the question. Cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2. We need to prove this is equal to x by 2. Here seeing it is in root. Usually if it is in root we always think of conjugating. Now I am going to conjugate it. So cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x by root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x into the same thing. Conjugate is nothing but just multiplying with the opposite sign in the denominator. Here it is minus, so I am going to multiply it with plus. So root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x. The same way the numerator also we need to multiply the same. So 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 plus sin x, sorry 1 minus sin x. If you see the numerator, it is in the plus sign, so we need to just square it. So it's just a plus b into a plus b. I can write this to be a plus b the whole square. So cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x the whole square. The denominator we have a minus b into a plus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. So a square is root of 1 plus sin x the whole square. Here minus b square is root of 1 minus sin x the whole square. So we can cancel this too. Now it is a plus b whole square, so a square is root of 1 plus sin x the whole square plus root of 1 minus sin x the whole square plus 2ab is 2 root of 1 plus sin x into root of 1 minus sin x. The denominator we have 1 plus sin x minus of, I am taking the minus sign inside, so it becomes minus 1 plus sin x. Now this get cancelled, your square and root get cancelled. Finally we have cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x plus, here it is a plus b into a minus b. We can write in the old root. If root a into root b, we can write that to be root a into b. So similarly this can be written as root of 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, which is nothing but root of a square minus b square. In the denominator we have 2 sin x. Here sin x get cancelled. We can write this to be cot inverse 2 plus 2. Here this becomes cos square x and root get cancelled, so it becomes cos x by 2 sin x. Now taking 2 common outside, we get 1 plus cos x by 2 sin x. Here 2 get cancelled. We have 1 plus cos x in the numerator. So 1 plus cos x is nothing but, we have learned this formula last year in the 11th standard. We have learned this formula. So 1 plus cos x is nothing but a half angle formula of 2 cos square x by 2. Same way for sin x, we have 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now I am going to substitute the formula here. So cot inverse x becomes 2 cos square x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Now 2 get cancelled, 1 cos and 1 cos get cancelled. We have taken the LHS here. We got cot inverse of here cos by sin with the same thing, same angle. So we can write that to be cot x by 2. So cot inverse of cot x by 2. Here cot get cancelled. We have x by 2, which is nothing but our RHS. This is what we need to prove. We have proved it, so we can write this to be hence proved. That's all with the sum. Thank you.